Hello and welcome to the Wellington Christmas Light Switch on 2025. Make sure you go and smash the like button, also subscribe with post notifications on. Now let's get into the video.
See you later, good to see you.
Lovely to see you again. It's been about a year. Every year I send about 150 Christmas cards to not only all over Somerset, but over...
You can do better. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's more like it, isn't it? Now we've got 1 minute to go. So here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wellington, your lights are truly on for Christmas. Well done to everyone. Thanks for turning up today. Thank you to the stall holders. Thank you to Rebecca.